Hello, fellow travelers. Are you ready for an adventure? Today, we are going to a place where the sun always seems to shine a little brighter. It's a place where the rhythm of the music gets into your soul. We are headed to the beautiful island of Jamaica. This isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. It's the warmth of the sand between your toes and the even warmer smiles of the people you'll meet. Jamaica is a place that invites you to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to simply be. It's a land of vibrant colors from the turquoise sea to the lush green mountains, and it's waiting to share its magic with you. I've always believed that travel is about connection. It's about connecting with new places, new cultures, and new people. Let's get our bearings and learn a little about this amazing place. Where exactly is Jamaica? It's a gorgeous island nation floating in the Caribbean Sea, just south of Cuba. It's the third largest island in the Caribbean, so there is plenty of room to explore. The official language is English, which makes it very easy for many travelers to communicate. However, you will quickly fall in love with the sound of Jamaican patois, or patois. It's a colorful, expressive Creole language that you'll hear everywhere. Don't be shy to learn a few phrases. A simple wagwan, which means, "What's going on?" will surely bring a smile to someone's face. The weather in Jamaica is what vacation dreams are made of. It's a tropical paradise, which means it is warm all year round. The average temperature hovers between 80 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 27 to 32 degrees Celsius along the coast. The mountains, of course, are a bit cooler, offering a refreshing escape from the heat. The island has two main rainy seasons, usually in May and again from October to November. But even then, the rain often comes in short, powerful bursts, followed by brilliant sunshine. So, no matter when you visit, you're almost guaranteed a healthy dose of that glorious Caribbean sun. Here's a little history for you. Jamaica has a rich and complex past. It was originally inhabited by the indigenous Taino people. Then, in 1494, Christopher Columbus arrived, and the island became a Spanish colony. Later, in 1655, it was captured by the English. This history has created a fascinating cultural mix of African, Spanish, British, and Taino influences visible in food, music, and traditions today. All right, let's talk about what you came for: the incredible sights. When you picture Jamaica, you are probably picturing its world-famous beaches. And you are right to do so. 7 Mile Beach in Negril is legendary. The sand is as soft as powdered sugar, and the water is impossibly clear and calm. It's the perfect place to do absolutely nothing but relax. You can find a spot under a palm tree, read a book, and watch the world go by. For a more lively scene, head to Doctor's Cave Beach in Montego Bay. It's famous for its healing mineral waters and has a fun, energetic vibe with plenty of amenities. But Jamaica is so much more than just its beaches. Let's head inland and up into the cool, misty blue mountains. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a world away from the sunny coast. Here you'll find lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking views. It's a hiker's paradise, with trails for all skill levels. The best part? This is where the world-renowned Blue Mountain coffee is grown. You can take a tour of a coffee plantation, learn about the process from bean to cup, and sample some of the freshest coffee you will ever taste. Now let's talk about a truly iconic Jamaican experience: Dunn's River Falls. Located near Ocho Rios, this is not your typical waterfall. It's a natural wonder that you can actually climb. It's like a giant natural staircase with cool, refreshing water rushing over terraced rocks. You can join a guided group and hold hands to form a human chain, helping each other make your way up the 600-foot climb. It's a thrilling, fun-filled adventure that will leave you feeling so accomplished. It's a real bonding experience, whether you're with family, friends, or even friendly strangers. And we can't forget about the vibrant heart of the island's culture, the capital city, Kingston. This is where you'll find the pulse of modern Jamaica. It's a bustling city with a rich history and an incredible art scene. A must-visit is the Bob Marley Museum, located in the reggae superstar's former home. It's a powerful and moving tribute to his life and music. You can also explore the National Gallery, or visit Devon House for some of the best ice cream on the island. Kingston shows you a different, deeper side of Jamaica. Jamaica's natural beauty offers so many opportunities for adventure. If you're looking for adventure, you won't run out of options. if you're looking for something truly magical, you have to visit the luminous lagoon. Located in Falmouth, one of the few places in the world for bioluminescence. At night, take a boat out onto the lagoon. As the water is disturbed, it glows blue-green. You can jump in and swim. You'll see your body outlined in shimmering light. It feels like swimming among the stars. For river lovers, Jamaica has you covered. Bamboo rafting on the Martha Brae River. A 30-foot bamboo raft pulled by a skilled local guide. Hear guide stories about local plants, animals, and folklore. It's incredibly peaceful, surrounded by lush jungle scenery and nature sounds. A perfect way to slow down, escape the hustle and bustle. Feeling daring? Explore the island's hidden underground world. Green Grotto Caves, a famous North Coast cave with a rich history. Hideouts used by Spanish colonizers, runaway slaves, and smugglers. Guided tours walk you through chambers with stalactites and stalagmites, and a mysterious underground lake. A cool, fascinating journey into the island's history. A little spooky, a lot of fun, and completely unforgettable. For animal lovers, Rockland's Bird Sanctuary, just outside Montego Bay. Get up close with bird life, famous for hummingbirds. Sit with a bottle of sugar water. Hummingbirds may land on your finger to drink. You might even spot the doctor bird with its elegant tail feathers. It's quiet, gentle, and truly magical. A way to connect with Jamaica's delicate nature. Oh, the food! Getting to know a place through its food is honestly one of my favorite parts of travel. Jamaica is a culinary superstar. The most famous dish, without a doubt, is jerk. This isn't just a seasoning, it's a whole method of cooking. Meat, usually chicken or pork, is marinated in a fiery blend of spices, allspice, which locals call pimento, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Then it's slow-cooked over a fire of pimento wood, giving it that unique smoky flavor. You'll find jerk shacks all over the island, from roadside stands to seaside restaurants. You really have to try it. It's spicy, smoky, and absolutely delicious. For breakfast, try the national dish, ackee and saltfish. Ackee is a fruit that, when cooked, looks and tastes a bit like scrambled eggs. It's sautéed with salted codfish, onions, tomatoes, and spices. Serve it with fried dumplings called Johnny cakes, or roasted breadfruit. Another must-try is the Jamaican patty, a flaky, savory pastry filled with spicy ground beef, chicken, or vegetables. It's the perfect on-the-go snack and a true taste of everyday Jamaican life. Markets overflow with tropical fruits. Mangoes, pineapples, and creamy papayas. Try unique fruits like soursop, sweet sop, or the so-called ugly fruit. Surprisingly delicious. Sip fresh coconut water straight from the coconut. And for something stronger, Jamaica is home to Appleton Estate rum. A rum punch by the beach is a classic. My best advice for foodies: be adventurous. Step outside your resort and eat where the locals eat. Visit a cook shop. Small, family-run spots serving home-style meals, oxtail stew, curry goat, fresh seafood like escovitch fish. Eating in Jamaica is an adventure in itself, a delicious journey into the heart and soul of the island. Let's talk about the practical side of things. Being prepared helps you relax and enjoy your trip even more. First up, currency. The official currency is the Jamaican dollar, or JMD, but the US dollar is widely accepted, especially in tourist areas, hotels, and larger restaurants. It's a good idea to have some of both. Bring smaller US bills for tipping and exchange some JMD for local markets. ATMs are available in towns and cities, but inform your bank before you travel. Getting around the island is part of the adventure. For longer distances, hire a private driver or use a licensed tourist taxi service like Judah or JCal. For shorter trips, route taxis are common, affordable, and run on set routes, but can get crowded. If you rent a car, be prepared. Jamaicans drive on the left, and driving can be assertive on narrow, winding roads. Now let's have a real talk about safety. Like any destination, be aware of your surroundings. Most visits are trouble-free. Use common sense. Lock valuables in the hotel safe and don't flash expensive jewelry or cash. Stick to well-lit, populated areas at night. Be polite but firm with unsolicited vendors, and ask hotel staff or trusted guides for local advice. The peak tourist season runs from mid-December to mid-April, driest weather but more crowds and higher prices. The shoulder seasons, mid-April to June and November to mid-December, offer fewer crowds and lower prices. Summer and early fall are low season with higher rain risk, but you can find great deals if you don't mind afternoon showers. Packing for Jamaica is about staying cool, comfortable, and sun-protected. Lightweight, breathable fabrics, lots of swimsuits, cover-ups, shorts and t-shirts, sundresses or a dressier outfit for evenings. A light sweater. It can get cool in the mountains or AC rooms. Essentials: swimsuit, reef-safe sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and a camera. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Bring reef-safe sunscreen. Bring a good insect repellent for evenings. A reusable water bottle helps you stay hydrated and eco-friendly. Pack comfortable walking shoes and water shoes if you plan to climb Dunn's River Falls. Understanding a few local customs makes interactions smoother. Greet people with a friendly good morning or good afternoon. Politeness is valued. Ask permission before taking someone's photograph. Tipping is customary, around 10 to 15% for good service. Pack an open and patient mindset. You are on island time. Things move at a relaxed pace here. Embrace it. You cannot think of Jamaica without thinking of its music. It is the heartbeat of the island. This is the birthplace of reggae. Bob Marley took it to the world and his spirit lives on. Seek out live music. Hotels and restaurants often have evening bands, and festivals like Reggae Sumfest bring huge energy. You may learn about Rastafari culture and the idol diet, principles of peace, love, unity, and respect for nature. We've covered beaches, mountains, food, what to pack, and how to get around. I hope you're not just feeling prepared, but truly excited to embark on this journey. Talk to people, ask questions, listen to stories. These moments transform a vacation into a meaningful travel experience.